Hey to YouTube, it's Marvin here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another electric pump to review for you guys. It is a Vogma 50PSI all-in-one pump. This is not a rechargeable pump, that is why I have to test it with my truck behind me. And when I say all-in-one, I really mean all-in-one because this pump can inflate a variety of inflatable products like inflatable paddleboard, boat, kayak, tent, kite, etc. And not only that, this pump can also inflate any tires up to 50 psi, which means that you can use it to most vehicle just like my truck behind me. The only question is if the cable is long enough to reach the rear tire of my truck. So let's find out. But before we put this pump to the test, let me show you the quick unboxing first to show you all the accessories that comes with a pump. Let's go. Right, so this is how I received the pump. It's in the box, inside the box, so it means it has like full protection not to damage the item when they shipped it, which is really nice. Okay, and here it is, 50 psi high pressure SUP air pump, digital display with real time pressure monitoring, 50 psi high pressure, dual stage, and auto shut off for easy inflation. So it's fully automatic. You can just set it to the desired pressure that you wanted. Let's say, just like my paddleboard is 15 psi, I always set it to 14. So you just have to set it to 14, turn it on, and it will automatically stop once it's reached 14 psi. Here you can see that it says new powerful active cooling system. It means that the pump has a cooling fan inside, which means you can inflate up to 3 paddle boards in a row without worrying about overheating the pump. Alright, so let's go ahead and open the box. So the first thing we can see here is the user manual. This is just a black and white user manual, but it has like a high contrast, so it's very easy to read. And a thank you card from Vogma. Dear friend, thanks for your support. Best wishes to yours. I don't know what's the name, Anja. Anyway, let's put this aside. And as you can see here as well, it has a very good protective foam. It's not just a styrofoam that is, you know, like they come into pieces. It's very annoying. It's also wrapped with a nice plastic and has a film on the LCD, and even have the protection here for the handle. And I know that the handle, you can move it into 4 positions. That's 1. Okay, back there 2, 3, and 4. There you go. And let's see how many nozzles that it comes with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I believe this is the size for the paddleboard. And look at that, it also comes with a Velcro straps. This is amazing. This is really nice. It comes with 2 of them, so this is really neat. Look at that, right? I had 2 electric pumps and it does not come with this Velcro strap. This is really thoughtful. And this is a 12 volts cable that you plug into the cigarette lighter of your car, and that goes to the pump. Let's see that. So it goes here to the pump, right? And this must be for inflating the tires, all right? And it also comes with 2 fuses in case you blow up the fuse. So just want to show you how to replace the fuse. The fuse is not inside the unit. The fuse is right here. There you go. That's inside right there. So in case you blow it up, you have 2 spare fuses to replace. You're just gonna drop it there, and then you put back this positive cap. Be careful with the, oh, it's not gonna drop actually. I thought it was going to drop. Yeah, so you just have to put that fuse in and then close this. Oops, sorry about that. And then close it, and you're done. Right, so another thing that comes with this is the press status radar adapter. Again, for me, that is very thoughtful. I just want to say good job Vogma for including this small thing. So this is very important to me because I have lots of bike as well. I want to show you guys how to use this later, but this is very useful. All right, so what else do we have here? And it also comes with a pouch. Look at that. It's a very basic one, but this is, yeah, this is like a waterproof as well. And this is what I'm talking about. This little things, small things, this will make a big difference. Like myself, I like to baby my stuff. I don't want my stuff to get scratches like all over. So this is just perfect. So you can throw everything inside. Let's try to do that, right? There you go. Just perfect. That's so cool. So that's everything inside the box, which is really makes me happy because it comes with everything, including the protective pouch. So looking at the picture from Amazon, I thought this pump actually was big and bulky, but surprisingly, it is not. It's also a lot lighter than I thought. As you can see right there, it's less than 3 pounds. And let me show you the actual dimension of the pump. There you can see the dimension is just 10 by 7 by 3 inches. Also, this pump has LED light front and back, which is very useful in case of emergency during nighttime. The front LED is bright enough to see what you are working on, and the back LED make you safe and visible, especially if you get a flat tire on the side of the road during pitch black like this. While I was recording earlier, it started raining, and now the rain stopped, but it's cloudy. But again, it's not gonna stop me from finishing the review of this pump. So I got my paddleboard here. The recommended pressure is 15 PSI. This is a Body Glove Performer. I'm just always go to less than 15. So I'm gonna set the pump to 14 PSI, and let's see how long it will take for the Vogma pump to inflate up to 14 PSI. Let's do it. Okay, make sure everything is tight, the nozzle and the connector here, and also make sure that you're in an inflate connector. All right, so I'm gonna turn it on now. Alright, so the Vogma pump inflated the 14 PSI paddleboard in 7 minutes and 22 seconds. That's pretty fast. So now let's try the deflate function of the pump. Right, so again, when deflating the paddleboard, it doesn't mean that you open the valve and then attach the pump and turn it on. What I did here is I opened the valve and let most of the air out by itself. So now I attach the pump. I'm gonna turn it on so that it will vacuum all the air out so that it will easy to fold for storage. Okay, let's do that. I think it's done. Right, you guys can see right there, it's very thin. It's gonna be very easy to fold when you store it. Okay, that's it. Right, so that's my test and review of the Vogma electric all-in-one pump. It works really good. When it comes to the durability, I don't know yet because I only had this pump for 3 days. And when it comes to functionality, of course, I will recommend this pump. And if you're thinking of getting this pump, this is a good time because right now it's on sale. $20 off from Amazon. I don't know until when is the sale, but I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Before I end this video, I want to say thanks to Melvin from Vogma for sending me this pump for review. And I guess it's time for me to go inside now because the rain is getting heavier. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.